So multiplying and dividing rational expressions, I'm actually going to do a multiplication problem now. This is a very basic one that you might see in like a pre-algebra or an algebra class, but we kind of need to do this for a review. So whenever we look at this, I'm going to rewrite this. So I've got an 8 and a 7 and an x and a y and a y. Remember, y squared means y times y. And then I've got, with the 21, 21 is actually 3 times 7. And 16 is actually 2 times 8. So I have, down at the bottom, I've got an 8, a 7, a 2, and a 3. And then I've got 3 y's and 3 x's. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you know your commutative rule means we can rearrange these any way we want. As long as we've got the same amount of numbers, you can multiply in whatever order. So I'm using my commutative rule right there whenever I take this across. And then I can start reducing. So my 8 divided by 8 is a 1, and my 7 divided by 7 is a 1, and my x divided by x is a 1, and my y divided by y is a 1, and my y divided by y is a 1. And I can just collect everything that's left. So the only thing left in the top is a whole bunch of 1s, and 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. And what's left on the bottom is a 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And then I've got x times x is x squared, and I have a y. The other way you can look at this is you can subtract your exponents. When you divide, you subtract your exponents. So I'm going to go back to the beginning here. I'll grab my blue. And so I'm going to look at this. I'm going to go 8 and 16 makes that a 2, and this is a 1. And 7 and 21, maybe I better change colors every time I cross something out here. So 7 divides into 21 3 times. So that's a 1. And then I can do my x's. I've got 1 x on top and 3 on the bottom, so that's going to make 2 left on bottom. And then I've got, maybe I don't have any more colors. Let me see. Do I have another color I can use?